What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to do a thread the needle, also called a sex change. It looks like this. Let's learn how to do it. So the thread is a great move to learn as it's easy, safe, and adds a lot of flow to your parkour lines as well. But before you start throwing this trick, you first got to know what leg you should jump off. Usually, it's just the leg that you can jump the highest with. For me, that'll be my right leg. So when I do it, I bring my left leg up and grab it with my right hand. And if you do it the other way, simply just reverse it. So you'll bring your right foot up and grab it with your left hand. Just like that. Okay, so there are multiple ways that you can grip onto your foot when doing this trick. The most common way of doing it, and the way that I like to do it, is to grab it from the front and cup it from the bottom just like this. When you do it like this, you've got a very nice tight grip of the foot, so you know your hand isn't going to slip off when doing the trick. You can also move the leg around and bend that elbow, which will be very important on when actually trying to sweep that leg underneath you. If you don't like grabbing it like that, you can also try grab it from the back or even from the top as well. Just make sure when you do it like this though, you are gripping the leg nice and tight, because it is a lot easier for you to slip the leg out. But at the end of the day, do what feels comfortable to you. This move can be broken down into two separate parts. Part 1 being the jump, and part 2 being the leg sweep. Now, just like any trick that has a jump in it, the higher you jump up, the more time you're going to have to actually perform your trick, and the easier it will be. So if you do a little jump like this, for example, you're not going to have enough time to actually sweep the leg underneath. So you want to make sure when you're doing it, you're jumping up nice and high, you're bringing that jumping leg all the way up, drive that knee up to the sky, so you have enough room to actually sweep that second leg underneath. And with the sweeping leg, it's exactly how it sounds. You're just grabbing it and sweeping it through. I can show you some angles from the side just to make it a bit easier to visualize and understand what I mean. Now the good thing about this trick is it's safe and very easy to learn as well. So if you go to do it and your legs clip so they hit one another, simply all you need to do is let go of the leg that you're holding onto and you'll land nice and safely back onto your feet, just like this. It's really easy. Now if you don't feel comfortable just throwing the trick like that, you can do some of these progressions that may help you. The first one, simply all you need to find is a gate, something about hip to shoulder length high, something to hold onto while you practice the move as well. Provides you with a bit more stability and hopefully give you a bit more confidence when practicing this trick. Okay, for this next progression, you're going to find a curb or something that's elevated off the ground, and you can try practice doing the trick off of this onto your lowered surface. Now doing it from something like this, you've got a bit more height to do it off, which means you also have more time in the air to bring your leg through. And once again, if your foot isn't going to make it over, simply just let go and return nicely to your feet on the ground. Now this third progression is probably my favorite one to do for this trick. Simply all you need to do is grab the leg you're threading over and move that other leg above and below, just like this. Now this progression is really good because it helps to build up that muscle memory, because this is the exact movement that you're going to be doing while doing the thread. So hopefully this one helps you out. Now once you feel like you've absolutely mastered the thread, you can try some of these variations to try challenge yourself. Now the first one is very simple. Try to thread over your opposite leg. Just like that. Another one you can try is threading one way and then threading back the other way. It looks like this. It's like that. And the third one is trying to get a little bit of a run up and a pop into it. That'll look like this. There we go. Alrighty, so that brings us to the end of the thread the needle tutorial. If you guys liked the video, hit that like button. You can also leave a comment down below to tell me what videos I should make next. And finally, subscribe to become a master of all trades. Woo!